Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I never realized how poor I was till I arrived at this place. My name is Ajay and today I'm in this place called Puerto Banus, which is about 10 kilometers from Marbella in the south of Spain. So where I'm walking right now is the famous Marina. And as you can see, this area is a playground for the rich. You will find a lot of yachts parked here in the Marina. And then there are these cool expensive cars. It is easy to spot Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Aston Martins, BMWs here. Teenage boys were particularly excited to see these cars. As you walk through the marina, you can smell the rich in the air. So the marina is a shopping heaven if you have money. You will find names like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Versace, Dior and Rolex sitting comfortably next to each other. Even the window displays here seem to whisper, "You can't afford this, but you're welcome to try." Now, this is what I didn't expect. Puerto Banus is one of the most visited destinations in Spain. It hosts almost 5 million visitors every year, and that's a big number for a place like this. But I think most of the travelers here are just like me, just curious travelers. Most people are just visiting this place either from Marbella or from Malaga on a day trip, just to get a feel of the rich life. Now, there are quite a few celebrities who live here. For example, Antonio Banderas has a property here. At the same time, there are quite a few upscale resorts, beach clubs, high-end dining places, and nightclubs. So if you end up partying here, there's a good chance you'll end up partying with a celebrity. Because of its status, the place has been a popular shooting location for numerous music videos, films, and countless fashion campaigns. Okay, let's talk about the yachts here. You'll find the yachts in different shapes and sizes, and these yachts can cost anywhere between $500,000 to $50 million. And if you'd like to rent a yacht, well, the renting charges can go up to 5,000 euros a day. Now here comes the best part. Puerto Banus has one of the most expensive ports in Europe to moor a yacht. The parking charges for these yachts can go as high as 4,200 euros a day. I repeat, 4,200 euros a day. These yachts are owned by billionaires, oligarchs, oil barons, tech tycoons, and royalty. What I fail to understand is that why do people waste their money on yachts? It's just a boat. I mean, even if I had that kind of money, I don't think I'll waste my money on a yacht. I might buy an expensive car, a Rolex, but I don't think I'll put my money in a yacht. So what do you think of yachts and rich people wasting their money like this? Despite all the glitz, there are quite a few restaurants here which are reasonably priced, and I bought a gelato here for under 5 euros. This ancient looking tower is actually not that ancient. It's a government building and was built in the year 1970, just like the marina around here. So the entire area was developed by a guy named Jose Banus back in the 1960s. He envisioned creating a luxury marina that would attract the world's elite. In 1970, the port was officially launched with a lavish party, which was attended by celebrities like Sean Connery, the former James Bond, and other elites which include royalties from around the world. Puerto Banus is still a coastal town and its beaches are part of its charm. You see, there's a beach there, that's Playa Nuevo. So let's step away from this vulgar display of wealth and head towards the beach. It's already quite peaceful. So that was the video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Puerto Banus with me. I have been traveling for over 3 years now, and I'll be posting regularly with at least one video every week, showing you different places from around the world. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be exploring the capital of Costa del Sol, Malaga. Thanks for watching.